Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to view a TikTok profile without notification. Many TikTok users want to browse profiles privately without the other person knowing. Whether someone gets notified depends on TikTok's profile view history feature. By default, TikTok does not notify users when you view their profile. However, notifications can happen if both you and the other user have profile view history turned on. To check this, start by opening the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the three horizontal lines at the top right and go to Settings and Privacy. Go to Privacy and scroll down until you find the option called Profile Views. If profile view history is turned off, you can view other profiles without sending a notification. If you want to view other people's profiles without notification, just toggle off Profile Views. If it is turned on, TikTok will notify users when you view their profile, but only if they also have this feature enabled. Keep in mind that turning profile view history off also means you won't be able to see who viewed your own profile. And that's it. We just learned when TikTok sends profile view notifications and how to disable profile view history to browse profiles privately. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.